Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the laptop off and removing power and battery. This prevents shorts and accidental clicks. Once done, use a soft brush or compressed air to clear dry debris from the pad surface and seams. Then lightly dampen a microfiber cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol, not dripping, and wipe in slow, circular strokes to dissolve skin oil. This removes residue without harming coatings, so make sure to use minimal liquid and steady pressure. Once the surface is mostly clean, focus on edges and sensor gaps where grease hides. Dip a cotton swab in isopropyl, squeeze excess, and run it along the seam. This lifts oil without excess moisture. If residue persists, use a thin plastic card at a low angle to nudge grime out, then brush or swab again. Make sure to clean the perimeter sensors gently because harsh scraping can misalign or scratch sensitive components. Take your time and inspect frequently. You finish by letting the pad air dry completely for at least 10 to 15 minutes before restoring power, which prevents moisture damage. Then power on and test clicks, scrolling, and multi-finger gestures. If sensitivity feels off, recalibrate in your touchpad settings or adjust driver options. If the pad remains sticky or unresponsive, make sure there is no trapped moisture. Dry longer with silica or air, and as a key troubleshooting step, reinstall or update the touchpad.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.